Welcome back to the RMS Racing channel. Here we have another video. Did another in action video. I'm not sure how that's going to turn out, so in case that doesn't yield any usable material, show you where everything's turned off and quiet. But this would be our intake number 3 cylinder, or intake for number 3 cylinder. And see, I got in there and carved it out, and you got our little directional septum in right there, and it's a pretty much of a round port. Went a little much up here, but that's the floor. It doesn't really make much of a difference what you do down there. So basically, this is the top of the cylinder, or I'm sorry, top of the port. And see, these are the exhaust ports here. So it's the bottom of the head. So this is actually considered the roof of the port. So this is where a lot of the magic happens. So another way you can tell is just because I got this little septum thing in there. So that helps direct the flow into the actual cylinder. So promotes a swirl effect as it goes into the cylinder. So we can keep the fuel and air mixture atomized, and it'll burn more completely that way when the spark plug lights it off. So anyhow, so that's 2 ports down. We got this one, 7 and 1 to do. I start in the center because these two have the most restriction. This one here measures about 87.8% efficiency in relations to the valve diameter. This one measures about 88.3% efficiency in contrast to the valve diameter. So pretty close, about half, 0.6, 0.5, something in that ballpark. So they're pretty close, so that's doable. And the thing is to make this one and this one the same way. Once we do that, I can set this head aside and focus on the other head, get it to the same state. Then I can pressure check them, make sure that we have no leaks. Once we do that, they'll be ready to slap on the block that's in here now, and start assembling everything. So hopefully a couple weeks or so, maybe 3, should be ready to fire up. So until then,